Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Let me just take this. Okay. Good day, good day. So today I'll be showing you guys price action the right way. So today is currently Sunday. So I'll be analyzing the charts. While analyzing the charts for the week ahead, I'll be showing you guys how I go about looking for trades to execute. So yes, guys, let me just fix this. So these are the pairs that I mostly trade. It's Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, AUD USD, and NAS 100. So we'll be starting the day with Euro USD. Let me just remove all these words. The recession, guys, it's happening, guys, because the markets have been plummeting for the longest of time. So generally, we should be looking for sales because market has been going down, and it's still going to go down. Fuel prices are still going to go up, and it's only just begun. Still going to get worse. So normally, why is this? Normally, guys, we look for higher highs, higher lows, where the market is going. The market is obviously going down because of a recession. So we should be looking for, obviously we sell when the market is retracing. We sell when the market is giving us a higher high. That's where we should be looking for entries. So now we can see that I got it a higher high, low, higher high, higher low. Now it should retrace to somewhere around these areas to give us another higher high. And that's where we should be looking for sell. So since we spotted that, we can go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we should be looking for like resistant areas. So the highest high. Let's see. Normally I do this to try spot where the market can resist. So let's just pull out the Fibonacci. So how you use the Fibonacci, guys, you start from where the impulse started. So it's higher high, higher low. So you put it at the higher high, previous higher high to the lower low. And the levels that you look for is the 0.618 level, the 0.5 level, and the 0.382 level. So those are the levels whereby market can retest so that it can continue down. So we should mark these levels right here. These help us to find resistant areas where the market can come back and give us nice patterns when they get there so that we can take sales. Yes. So we can see that the previous lower low was here, and that's where the 68 level is at. So This is the area that I'll be looking at mostly. This is the area that I'll be looking at mostly. So I'll be probably looking for sell opportunities in these areas. But if they present themselves here and here, I'll probably take them. I'll probably take them. So we're looking for the market to do something like this. Something in the lines of this. Probably here, 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 here. Obviously, just there. Give us a nice candlestick confirmation, probably a pin, a week. I'll be doing a video on week strategy, the week strategy, to show you guys how you can go about making money from only trading week strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. Then from there, we should be looking for the next impulse phase. So obviously, going to enter here. Stop loss. Let's give some market. Let's give the market some room to be. Obviously, nice 1 is to 3. There. So this is what we'll be looking for. Euro, USD to do. We'll be taking sell opportunities in these areas. Yes. Let's go on to USD JPY. So guys, when you analyze and it's like you're starting the new week, you should always remove previous data. Like you analyzed before, you should remove and start afresh, because it's a new week, new patterns are going to be printed. So you also need to have a different view from the one you had last week. So yeah, as you can see here, market is been going up, but it's strong. The USD compared to JPY is very, very, very strong. So market have been impulsing, nice moves. Nice moves. So generally we should be looking for pullbacks so that we can also take the market to the upside. Should be looking for pullbacks. Okay. So let's see if we can find a trend line somewhere here. Okay. So the pullback, guys, it should sometimes pull back to previous lower low, high high, lower low, high high, lower low, and hopefully the lower low is at the trend line, so you can take the trade there. Hopefully the market will print something like this again in these areas. So print something like this, hopefully to the upside. So guys, you should be generally looking for patterns. As you can see here, it printed this pattern, continuation pattern, then it impulsed up. So that's what we should be looking for. Other than that, I will not be taking a trade on USD JPY. I will not, unless if I see something in USD, something nice. This pattern is similar to this. This here is similar to this. So let's see. Okay, guys, we found a pattern, but it would have been nice if it was at the trend line. It would have been, our confirmations would have been like more, because now it's not there. So it's not probably it's not a high probability trade. Okay, Fibonacci, it's on the 38. So yes, guys, this would confirm that I would take this trade. This would be, if it comes here and gives me a nice pin bar, then I'll be looking to take the trade to previous higher high right there. This is probably going to happen in the early morning, but market will be slow because it's Monday. Market won't be moving fast. It will take time to get back into the flow of things. So I don't think, probably 8 o'clock it will start moving. So this should be your first TP. Obviously, your next TP should be, if you measure the previous impulse. Yeah, that's high. But to be safe, you should take your TP on the previous higher high. Still a good trade. Let's see the risk to reward, 1:4. So it's a good trade. I'll be taking this, guys, tomorrow. I'll be taking this trade tomorrow. Probably when you see this video, I would have already taken the trade. So on to the next pair, that's GBP USD. Remove. Euro USD, guys, and GBP USD are moving similar. So they are very similar to each other. So as you can see, the market is in a downtrend. It's making higher, it's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all of those. So we should be looking for pullbacks to take the trade. Okay. Cloud. Getting a channel type of hype. So if the market breaks out of this channel, if it breaks out of this channel, it should come back and make a higher low. That's a higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Should make a lower high here in these areas right here. And that's where we'll be looking for sales. That's where we should be looking for selling opportunity. was it? But I don't think I'll be taking this trade because it doesn't look, it's not a good setup. It's not a good setup. As you can see on the previous market, it looks similar to GBP USD. It's very similar. It's still in the channel. So I'm gonna skip this one and go to NAS 100. NAS 100. Oh, last week, guys, I caught this beautiful trade. I caught this beautiful trade here. Let me go to the one now. Got this beautiful trade here. As you can see, we got this candlestick right here. Right here. Got it right there. And the market shot up. It shot up. But I took my profits right here because I knew that the market was gonna do a correction and I didn't wanna suffer drawbacks because the profits were good, guys. They were really good. I took this trade here. Market shut up today. That's where I took my profits. And then I remember I entered against in these areas right here. Right here. Right here. Obviously stop loss just below that. But I was triggered out by this week right here. I put like stop loss somewhere around here. As you can see, this week was taking out everybody's stop losses because that's probably like where a lot of people put their stop losses. It triggered me out, then it shot up in our direction. It shot up. It shot up. So this was a nice trade. And hopefully we're gonna catch similar trades like that this week. Okay, NAS 100. As you can see, market is in a downtrend. Market is in a downtrend. It's forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and here it formed. Okay, as you can see here, I'm getting this kind of pattern right here of a trend line, that there's some sort of resistance right there, and market is approaching the trend line here. So Nasdaq is looking real good for the week. It's looking real good. As you can see, guys, market is on the trend line. It is on the trend line, so we should be looking for sales. But hopefully, market comes to test this level right here. Right here. Then we should be looking for sales to go down here. But the market can also break this resistance, come back to here and impulse up and go to the upside. So don't be quick to enter the market here. Wait for the market to show you where it wants to go, then execute after you show that the market is going up or down. So that's all there is, guys. Yes.